Once again, students, welcome to our lecture series. Today we are going to see about the concept of credit creation. A number of students have been asking a number of questions about what the concept credit creation means. But in the mind of few, it is a difficult concept, but in the mind of many, it is a concept which is easy to arrive to its meaning. Credit creation simply means how much money is created from the initial deposit. This means how much money will be created from the initial money which was deposited earlier in the bank. It is a normal behavior of many banks to create credit from the original deposit so as to generate more money. Now, it is a simple process, but there are some assumptions which have been put forward to arrive to its concept. We assume many banks so as to make the process easier, because if there are many banks, the original deposit or initial deposit will be circulating through all the banks. Also, we assume there is no leakage, meaning money which was deposited must continue to circulate in the banks and not leak out of the banks. Also, we assume other things like fixed reserve ratio to our banks. If let's say it is 20 reserve ratio or 20% reserve ratio, the rate must be the same throughout the banks to make the process easier. Now, let us assume Tanzania shilling 1,000 million was deposited by a person in a bank A. This is the initial deposit, and this amount of money must be given as a loan to the person who demanded the loan. The process is this: 20% of this amount of money will be kept by Bank A. Now, if 20% of this money will be kept by Bank A, it means now 800 million will be given to a person as a new loan now. It means this person will deposit the money in Bank B. As normal, Bank B will deduct 20% of this money, and the amount remained will be given to another person as a new loan. Now, the process of giving money and depositing into the banks should continue until the initial deposit is finished. Now, how will this process will end? You are asked to calculate now credit created at the end of all money will have been finished during the process of credit creation. In order to get credit creation, now it will be, the formula will be as follows. Credit creation is equal to initial deposit over reserve ratio. In our case, initial deposit is 1,000 million Tanzania shillings, but reserve ratio is 20%. Now, 1,000 Tanzania shilling million over 20% is where you get 5,000. 1,000 over 20% is where you get 5,000. It means that by the end of the circulation, 5,000 Tanzania shillings will be our credit creation. Thank you very much for your concern.